You saw this message when you wanted to send someone money on PayPal. In this video, guys, I'll show you guys 3 different solutions on how to solve this problem. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right into it. Welcome back, guys. I'm Chido Original. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you guys how to make money online, how to invest your money and make your money work for you. So hit that red subscribe button below. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different methods to solve this problem. The first is list of countries, the second is PayPal settings, the third is support, and I'll go through this one by one. And if you encounter this problem and go through these 3 different solutions, I assure you that your problem will be solved. So make sure you stick to the very end. Okay, coming from the first one, list of countries. Now I'll leave the link below. So this is the link, the list of countries that PayPal services available. So this one is the first one. So countries and regions with ability to send and receive payments. So these are the list of countries. So go through all this and make sure that your PayPal account is under this country. So as you can see, they have a whole list here, a whole lot of lists. South Africa is here. Like I showed you guys to register your PayPal account using the South African IP. Arab Emirates is here. So these are some of the countries that you can use while creating your PayPal account. And for instance, if I want to create a PayPal account, let me open a new tab. I'll type paypal.com. So this is paypal.com. Then I'll click / in case my country is now among those lists, I'll click /LS for Lesotho, which is among the list, or SA for South Africa, which is among the list, or AE for Arab Emirates, which is among the list. So any country that is among the list, just click on each of them. So I might put LS and click enter. So once it loads up, you see the interface of PayPal for people residing in LS. So no matter where you are, you can do this. Okay, so make sure your country is among this while registering on PayPal. So this is the second list here. The countries that are available to send and receive payments and also enable automatic transfer. So this is the option that is available on these countries that is not available on these first countries that is listed above. So these are some of the countries: Algeria, Barbados, Fiji, and a lot of lists here, Trinidad and Tobago. So here are the third list. So this is the third and final list. Countries and regions that has only ability to send payments. You can only send payments. That's why I told you guys not to open your PayPal account using any of these lists here. If you open your account using the Angola interface, you can only send payments, you can't receive payments. That's why if someone creates an account using Angola or Nigeria or whatever country that is, can only send payments, I want to send them payments, you see this message. So this is the first step to check that your PayPal account is now among these lists. Here is Cameroon, and if I scroll down, you see Nigeria here. So this is Nigeria. So don't create your PayPal account using the Nigeria interface. You won't be able to receive payments. You can only send payments. So this is the first solution to this list of countries. So the link to this will be below in the description box, so you can easily access it. So the second solution is through your PayPal settings. So if you go to your PayPal settings, you can easily change this. So let me log into my PayPal account and show you guys. So this is the account here, as you can see here. So what you want to do is to click on this icon, settings icon, click on account settings, and it will load up another interface. Then this is the interface is going to load. Click on payment preferences. This is payment preferences, and here on block payments, click on update. Click on update here on block payments. Here is your preferences for receiving payments. Now most of you guys check this by default, or maybe it was an error by PayPal themselves. This might be on no deny payments, and if this is on no deny payments, no one can be able to send the payment. So make sure this is on yes, accept and convert them to US dollars. So you can accept and payments and create new holding balance in that currency. So you can create a new currency, but I encourage you guys to leave it at US dollars. So this is block accidental payments. You may prevent accidental payment by blocking duplicate invoice. So this is optional, but I prefer you leave it at no, because someone sends you money twice, you're actually gaining. So leave it at no. If you leave it at yes, and someone can send you money twice or by mistake or whatever, so leave it at no, you are benefiting from that. So the third option is block the following payments. make sure this box is not checked. I repeat, make sure this box is not checked. Pay with e-check transfer for all websites except ePay. So if you check this, they can't pay websites with e-check transfer. So make sure this is unchecked. Display add instructions to seller text input field. So leave this at yes, so you can give instructions to seller on what they want them to do or not do. So here's the interesting part. This is the fifth option here. Most of you guys, maybe by default, like I said, have this checked. And if you have this checked, initial payments from the pay anyone or send money tab will not be available. So if someone wants to send you money, they will receive this message on their interface, so they won't be able to send you money. So what you want to do now is uncheck this. But if you want to check this, make sure you put the websites that someone can send you money here. So you can put an alternative website whereby someone can send you money through that website. For instance, if you have a website, let me say you have a website www.fashiondesign. So this is fashiondesign.com. So this is your website. You can add this and save it. So this is the only way someone can send you money. So if they want to send you money, they have to go into this your website and send you money. So unless you want that to only receive payments using your website, you can add your website here. So I encourage you guys to uncheck this box and leave this blank so you can be able to receive payments. So guys, this is the second solution, your PayPal settings. Make sure you didn't block any payments here. So you can screenshot this and make sure your settings is up to date. So moving on to the final step, I'll show you guys how to contact PayPal support in case you want to speak with them. So this is the last resort. In case all these options doesn't work, come here and see this icon. Once you log into your PayPal dashboard, rather, click on this icon and it will load up another interface whereby you can contact them via text or call. You can call the PayPal support system and tell them what your problem is and they can respond to you. So in case I want to send them a message here, good morning, so I'll click on new message. Once you click on new message, a new message will arrive. Note that PayPal has a 90 days active, that's 3 months active on your chat. So if I chat with this guy, I can chat with them the next month and the next month. Then after 3 months, the whole chat will be erased. They will just clear out the whole chat. So you just have a 3 month duration. So I might just say hi PayPal support. So this is PayPal support. I can't receive payment. I can't receive payment on my account. You can just say this and click on send and they will respond to you. As you can see, this guy is active. They are currently active. They are active almost all the time. So you can send them, just click here, they will send the message. But I don't want to send this because I don't have this issue. I'm showing you guys how to do it. So this is how to message them. If you want to contact them via a call, which I highly encourage, because within 5 minutes your problem is solved, because you are talking with someone live. It's not a message that you're waiting for response. So click on that contact us button. Once you click on it, you can see other ways. If you have any questions here, you can actually use this frequently asked questions and know if it will solve your problem. But here is where you click on colors here, and you can see your the number you will dial. So this is the number. It's a US number. You will dial this number. If you dial this number, they will ask you to put this code. This code is only valid after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, this code will change to another code. So once I call this guy now, before the customer service will pick the number, they ask me to input a code. So I'll call this code 138605. So once I call this code, they will know that actually I'm active subscriber on their platform, that's PayPal. So they will pick my call and I will now explain to them that I can receive payment from my platform. So this is the number to call. So you can just call them, which I encourage you guys to do. And here are the active hours. During Monday to Friday, they are active during 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. That's 12 a.m. in the night. And during Saturdays and Sunday, they are active during 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. So note all this and know when to call them using a US telephone. So in case you are living in countries that you can't make call to US numbers, you can use an application like this now to call them. Make sure your VPN is on and you can make calls to US number and they will answer you, and within 5 minutes your account can receive payments in case all these two other methods rather doesn't work. So that's how to contact them and solve this problem issue that many people have been complaining about, that this recipient access PayPal payments only through their website. To complete this payment, please go to their website and follow their instructions or email the recipient for instructions. So if you are receiving this error, these are the 3 solutions to that. So make use of this, and I guarantee you guys after this your problem or issue will be solved. So my contact information will be below on the description box in case you want to contact me via WhatsApp, Facebook, or email. It will be below, so you can contact me and we can transact if you have any further questions. So that's it for this video. A playlist pop up on your screen. Make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can. I'll see you guys on my next video.